Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video contains the crystallographic problem which is from GATE 2020 paper, paper code CY. Here question is for a cubic crystal system, the powder X-ray diffraction pattern recorded using copper K alpha source whose lambda value is equal to 1.54 Armstrong and shows a peak at 33.60 degree. This 33.60 degree is the value of 2 theta and it is for the 111 plane. Then here we have to calculate what is the lattice parameter A. Now for calculating here, at first write down what are the datas are given. Now source is here X-ray source is copper K alpha source and whose lambda is equal to 1.54 Armstrong. Now 2 theta value is given, that is 33.60 degree and plane is 111. Then we have to calculate what is the value of A, that is what is the value of lattice parameter, and it is a cubic crystal system, that is lattice parameter A is equal to B is equal to C, that is length are all same. Now from Bragg's law we have 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda, where n is equal to order of diffraction and here lambda is equal to what is the value of wavelength of the source, here that is equal to 1.54 Armstrong, and d is equal to interplanar distance, that is distance between two plane in a lattice, that is equal to d, and the equation is 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda. We are assuming here that here the order is first order diffraction, that's why we are taking n is equal to 1. Now by taking n is equal to 1, we d will be lambda by 2 sin theta, d will be lambda by 2 sin theta, and all values are given, that is what is the value of lambda and what is the value of theta, those are given. Now d is equal to by putting those value we can get d is equal to 2.664 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The for writing mistake it is to some hazy, but it is equal to 2.664 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter or 2.664 Armstrong, that is the value of d. Now you can see here why we calculating the value of d for the calculation of A. Here another very important equation is 1 by d square is equal to h square by a square plus k square by b square plus l square by c square. Here this is a cubic cell, that's why a is equal to b is equal to c, and we have to calculate this value, that is a, and here the plane is 111, that means the Miller indices h, k, l alls are 1, that is h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 and l is equal to 1. We are calculating what is the value of d, so from this equation, that is putting a is equal to b is equal to c, you can get 1 by d square is equal to h square plus k square plus l square by a square, or d is equal to a by root over of h square plus k square plus l square, or a is equal to d into root over of h square plus k square plus l square. Now d value you already calculated, what is the value of d, h, k and l are given, so from that equation, that is h, k and l, h square plus k square plus l square is equal to 3, that is a is equal to 2.664 into 10 to the power minus 10 into root 3, which is equal to 4.61 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, that means 4.61 amps. There is another question of crystallography, and the question is, consider that AgX crystallizes in rock salt structure and the density of AgX is given, which is equal to 6477 kg per meter cube, and the unit cell length is 577.5 picometer, and here atomic weight of Ag is also given, which is equal to 107.87 gram per mole. Then here we have to calculate what is the atomic weight of X. What is the atomic weight of X? Here we have to calculate. At first write down what are the datas are given. And datas are the density of AgX is equal to 6477 kg per meter cube, and unit cell length A is equal to 577.5 picometer, which is equal to 577.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, and atomic weight of Ag is given. Now density, the equation of density is equal to N into M divided by Na into V, where N is equal to number of atoms per unit cell and M is the molecular weight of AgX, Na is the Avogadro number, and V is the volume of the unit cell. Now you can easily calculate what is the value of N, as AgX crystallizes in rock salt structure. Hence you can easily calculate what is the value of N, and one of my previous videos I show the calculation of the rock salt of the number of atom calculation of rock salt structure. And V also you can easily calculate as the unit cell length is given and AgX crystallizes in cubic manner, cubic unit cell. So if unit cell length is A, then AQ is the volume and Na is the Avogadro number, which is constant, and rho is given. So from the equation you can easily calculate what is the value of M. This M is the molecular weight of AgX, hence the atomic weight of Ag is given. So from molecular weight of AgX you can easily calculate what is the atomic weight of X. Now density is rho is equal to N into M by Na into V. Now as AgX crystallizes as rock salt structure, then N is equal to 4, number of atom per unit cell is 4, N is equal to 4, and here the density is given 6477 kg per meter cube. We are converting it as 6.77 gram per meter cube. That's why we are multiplying it by 10 to the power 3, and volume is 0.577.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 whole cube. Then from this equation you can calculate, what is the value of M. This value of M is equal to 187.7 gram per mole. Hence the atom this is the molecular weight of AgX. So by subtracting the atomic weight of Ag from molecular weight of AgX, you can easily get what is the atomic weight of X, and from that calculation you can get that atomic weight of X is equal to 187.7 minus 107.7 gram per mole, which is equal to 80 gram per mole, mole. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.